Many friends' daily life often run into the problem of buzzing ears. For such cases, the best way is to prescribe the right medicine so that a smooth solution. In fact, the ear is also a buzzing. Sound health crisis is a big signal. So, how is the buzzing of the ears going on? How to solve the following health network Xiaobian for everyone to read. First, how the ears buzzing sound. 1. The pressure mainly for high-frequency tinnitus, similar to the cicada sound. Tinnitus in young people, mainly due to work pressure, less sleep, entertainment due to more. 2. Endocrine disorders, menopausal women endocrine disorders, estrogen reduction, autonomic dysfunction is the main cause of tinnitus. Ear buzzing treatment tips. So the best treatment. 3. Emotional instability. When we are in emotional instability, such as anxiety or depression, the case is prone to buzzing ears. And persistent buzzing ears also exacerbate our emotions. For long-term noise exposure, the ear can withstand. The strongest sound is usually 90 decibels. If more than this limit, even if they do not feel out, fragile and sensitive inner ear has been damaged. Irregular, strong, irritating noise is more harmful to hearing.